CyberOx.
Yo, what's up? CyberOx here. Today we're going to be talking about a function of grabbing, I guess. I mean, I don't know what's actually called. So, again, as always, if you ever watch my videos, please don't necessarily take all my stuff for granted. If I say the function is called grab your mama, don't actually say that on the C++ test. Not the best idea. However, I'm going to teach you how to grab one function from another function, pretty much. So it's easy, actually. Anyways, as you see, this layout per se is something I kind of came up with. It's easy, fun, I guess, or whatever. But as you see, I already have a couple of stuff. I have some comments in here. It kind of organizes it all. So if you go to the description of this video, you can actually copy all this and put it in there. Now, what you're gonna wind up having to do is just renaming this part to whatever your CPP file is. Like if it's John B C++, or CPP, then you would rename it to John B. This cat does not stop meowing. So yeah. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? First, let's go ahead and create a function in trying2, which is my other function, actually. Also, sorry if the camera's a little crooked. I have it set up so it doesn't really overheat. Sorry about that. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started to void trying2. Let's go ahead and see out something. Alright, I still got it. Alright, whenever we call this function or grab it, it's going to see out a lot of stuff. So let's go ahead and see out. How about see out John B. Alright, and then we'll see out another one called is. And we'll just keep going down the list. Over here we'll type is a new. There you go. Now, if we go ahead and go to project or execute, compile, and run, we should see nothing. It actually doesn't do anything. Which is good. So, let's see. So, I mean, that's actually a good thing. Now, let's grab it from our int main function. As you see, it says variables here and content for program starts here. Variables, like int a equals 30, stuff like that. Now, let's go and come down here. Let's type in cout. Let's type in, did you know that, right? And then we'll just keep it like that pretty much. And we'll come down here, we'll type in trying2. Now I believe that right there will actually execute the, whoops, forgot my brackets. Move your tail. I think my cat's in heat or something. Anyways, that should do it. Now let's go ahead and go to execute, compile, and run. And there we go. It says, did you know that John B is a noob, but it's altogether really, really tacky. So let's come over here, add some spaces. Actually, we don't need all that. We just need the main things. Alright, now let's execute, compile, and run it one more time. And there you go. Did you know that John B is a noob? Perfect explanation or perfect example of how to, what I call grabbing another function. So let's go ahead and recap it again. as you see here, trying or void trying, which is our own function, it said, hey, you know, John B is a noob. That's what I'm gonna print out on the screen. And our main function said, did you know that? It says, did you know that? And then it's like, take a break. And then it went to from our main to trying to, which grabs another function, which grabs that function. Now keep in mind, if you were to, type a whole bunch of stuff in here, it would grab all that as well. So you kind of have to be careful. Anyways, that's how to grab functions in my language. Again, it's not actually the official, saying, do not quote me, otherwise you will get fired or get an F. So please don't quote me. But that's pretty much how to go about it. It's great for, if you have a whole bunch of functions. It's it's great for if you have a whole bunch of functions, you want to grab a specific one that does a specific thing, which is actually good towards gaming. Like if you're trying to create a game, you want to load up something like load up weapon 3-4, and it loads up that weapon and all its perks and stuff like that. Then otherwise, that's what it's actually good for. So, but yeah, that's what I call grabbing another function. Thank you for watching this video. As always, God bless and have a good day. Also, since you stayed to this end, which is pretty cool, I want to get somebody asked me to do C++ again, which is this is why I'm coming up with this one. And also he said if I could do gaming C++, that necessarily I cannot do. I can't really make an actual game. However, I can make text-based games and stuff like that, which will be wow. Well, what would be which we will be working on. So please look forward to C++ gaming actually, but text-based. Nothing major, nothing big, small, steady, wins the race. Still in City actually, but still my version is better. Anyways, thank you for watching CyberOx. As always, have a good day and God bless.